How to check current password on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you check your current password on Facebook. So let's get started. First, you can check the save password. For the iPhone, you have the application password. Simply open that. After you open password app and verify with your Face ID, simply in the top at the search field, search for Facebook or your account. After you find your Facebook, simply tap on that. Now from there, simply tap on password. From here, you can as usual copy your password. As usual, you can find it through your browser. Simply open browser. After that, at the bottom right, tap on three dots. From here, tap on settings. From settings, tap on password manager. Now from here, choose the option for Facebook. If you find it, tap on that. Simply from here, tap and view your password. And that's it. These are the ways you can check current password on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.